pretty significant expansion and renovation to Campbell High School. You look at the way that our buildings have gone over the last several decades, it kind of shows you the story of Cobb County, where the growth was. Initially, it was kind of in the South Cobb area. That's the initial kind of growth of Cobb, and then it moved to East Cobb and North Cobb and West Cobb, and now the growth is really hitting back south, and some of those same buildings are still there and definitely in need of some love. The good news is it's underway.